Hello and welcome to the Lux Living application. We made this application compatible for iPhones and Samsungs and Blackberries. You can see as our app is just opened, it comes to our service page with the option to book now and an extra option section that I will go through in the video. So first off, just like our website and explanation, our service comes with the best rate guarantee, curated properties, and a 24/7 concierge service to ensure complete relaxation. So this application is very valuable to us because it pretty much spreads more than half of our advertisements because people are always on their phones. Not many people are actually able to use their computer for personal stuff because people are using their computers at work. This is what we found in our statistics. So this is our page. As you scroll down the first page, it comes to properties and how we range from cold to European to Caribbean, and also it comes down to a little mountain getaway summary that explains how the vacation will go, ultimately how it will begin, how it will end, and how we will pretty much take care of anything you need or anything you want to make sure you have a perfect experience. On the next page, as you scroll down, it comes to our recommendation by Forbes. Lux Living has 100 staffers traveling around the world to visit potential destinations, putting mansions through a strict 100-point inspection to ensure complete customer satisfaction. This is quote unquote. And lastly, you see our recommended homes. This is the mountain collection. A little bit of information about how your trip can go. Here we have some more pictures within the app to pretty much we do this as a way of marketing, way of advertising. People see this, they think of nice coziness, luxuriousness, and they want to be a part of it. Our city collection, we have our popular apartments in New York, Italy, and even in downtown Portugal. Our beach collection, we work primarily with the Dominican Republic and islands that are based in the US like St. Thomas, St. John, Puerto Rico. We have our trip advisors and travel advisors ratings. You can find more in the bottom of the app. And our contact us. We are international, as I said in the website video. And as you see down here, we have little sections, and this makes the application easier. For example, if you want to email us, you use the middle emoticon, and you get to our CFO, CEO, Vanessa Shores, where you can send her an email. And right here is the call button, and you can call our 1-800 hotline number that pretty much serves as a 1-800 hotline number. And if you go back up to the top, we have the book now section, which brings you to a page where you type in information and a summary autobiography about yourself. So you will have to get ultimately certified and then approved to rent.